How to delete Facebook account. So if you want to delete a Facebook account, then first check if you have a stable internet connection or not. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to tap on your Facebook, make sure to log into your account that you would like to delete. Once you're here on the account, you need to go for the upper right, which has that three-dot icon. Scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Once you're on the settings, you need to go for the account center, which is on the first, and go for personal details. Under personal details, tap on account ownership and control and go for deactivation or deletion. And tap on Facebook account and tap on delete account. Once you tap on delete account, tap on continue. And then if you have any pages under your account, then those will also be deleted. So in order to delete it, tap on continue and then choose a reason why you would like to delete your account and tap on continue again and again tap on continue. Scroll down, continue, and then you need to enter your password. So make sure to enter your correct password, and if you don't remember your password, you can go for forgot password and then you can reset and you can delete your account. So once you enter your password, tap on continue and your account will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your Facebook account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.